This is the latest member in Amazon's Echo speakers family. This is Amazon Echo Pop. It is the cheapest latest generation Alexa powered Echo speaker available in the market. In this detailed review, I will try to explain everything you need to know before buying Echo Pop. Echo Pop is priced at Rs 4,999. This is the retail box. At one side, it has key features printed. Let me now show you the unboxing. In the box, you get the Echo Pop speaker and charger. It is shipped with a 15-watt power brick. Echo Pop has a semi-spherical shape and looks good. It has a plastic build that feels nice. The speaker has a flat front face that is around 4 inches across. The front has a fabric covered grille and is also angled slightly upward. The light bar is at the top edge of the Echo Pop and takes around 1.5 inch long segment. At the back it has a hole to plug the power cord. Amazon has yet to adopt USB-C for power delivery. There are 3 buttons at the top. 2 are for the volume controls and 1 is the microphone kill button. There are also 3 microphones. The Pop doesn't feature the action button which almost every other Echo devices does. You need to install Alexa app on your smartphone for the initial setup and log in with your Amazon account. Follow the on-screen instructions and it will do the setup automatically. There is nothing complicated in the process. Echo Pop has Amazon's Alexa voice assistant and it can do all the things you could expect from Alexa. Ask it for any information, stream music, set timers or control connected smart home devices. The speaker packs Amazon's AZ2 Neural Edge processor for offering faster local processing or voice commands. The device uses your Wi-Fi network to enable Alexa and music streaming. It also supports playing music directly from your phone over Bluetooth. Although the Echo Pop has slightly larger internal driver than Echo Dot, the sound of the Echo Pop is not as good as in Echo Dot. The sound quality is good for a speaker of this size. The audio is crisp and clear but doesn't put out much thump when it comes to low-end sounds. Songs with heavy bass sound normal on Echo Pop, so Echo Pop doesn't have the ability to replace your party speaker. As you increase the volume, the mids and highs get muddied, so it sounds better at low volume. But it is a good one considering its size and smart features. It is also a great choice for listening to podcasts and sleep sounds. Echo Pop also supports multi-room audio with other Echo speakers for creating a powerful sound across multiple rooms at your home. If you have an Eero mesh Wi-Fi network at your home, Echo Pop can double as an Eero node to expand the network. It has a far-field microphone array for listening to voice commands and the device never struggled with that. It is attentive as ever and responds quickly. Now let's talk about the most important thing. Echo Pop lacks the motion and temperature sensors that you get in Echo Dot. Both of those sensors can be used to trigger Alexa routines like turning on lights when you enter the room or turning on AC when the temperature hits a certain level. Echo Pop also lacks support for Apple AirPlay, Google Cast or Spotify Connect. Amazon Echo Pop seems a good addition to existing Echo speaker family. Amazon Echo Pop is cheaper than the latest version of Echo Dot and also misses some of features. Amazon Echo Pop looks good, comes with a solid build and offers a good sound experience. Echo Pop can be a good upgrade over older Echo models like 3rd generation or older. People who want to get into the Alexa ecosystem without spending much can get Echo Pop. If you are trying to decide between Echo Pop and Echo Dot, you should prefer Echo Dot for a better sound. I think Amazon Echo Pop is priced right and does exactly what you want it to do. That's it for this video. I tried to cover everything you need to know about Echo Pop. If you still have any question, you can leave it in the comment. Thanks for watching.